Hey guys, Super Techie Will here, and today we're going to take a look at Corsair's Strafe RGB mechanical keyboard. Starting with the specs, we have 100% Cherry MX red keys, anti-ghosted 104 key rollover, a 32-bit ARM processor, and 1000 Hz polling rate. Included with the keyboard is a key removal tool and textured keys for FPS and mobile games. The keyboard also comes with a palm rest. The cable for this keyboard is very thick. It splits off into two plugs, one for the keyboard and one for the USB interface in the back. So how does this keyboard feel when typing? Well, like many mechanical keyboards, exact and quick. I felt like I could type faster on this keyboard, really. The textured spacebar is balanced and goes down evenly wherever you hit it. The keyboard also includes a dedicated Windows key lock button so you don't get kicked out of your games. For me, the Cherry MX red keys are quite comfortable to my hand, but they may not be for everyone. Speaking of loudness, I don't believe these keys are annoyingly loud, but if you don't want the mechanical keyboard sound, Corsair has a variant that features Cherry MX silent keys. They also offer one with Cherry MX brown keys. Taking a look at the backlight lighting now, you have a lot of options. First, Rainbow Spiral, Rainbow Wave, Visor, Rain, Color Shift, Color Pulse, Color Wave, Type Color, and Type Ripple. You can change the color of any one key to customize the keyboard just how you like it. There are millions of options. The Corsair logo color can also be changed, and the overall brightness of the backlighting can be set with a button. There are 4 settings. Lastly, there are white light strips on both sides of the keyboard. Overall, I think this keyboard was very well thought out. The build quality is top notch, feels solid, and there are millions of ways to customize this peripheral. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, stay super!